I think we're all aware from social media that we shouldn't be keeping dogs in the car during warm or hot weather, but there's a couple of other points that I think is really important for us to be aware of. Dogs can get sunburnt, particularly on the areas lacking the coat that protects them, on the abdomen, on the tips of the ears, on the bridge of the nose. 15 minutes in direct sun during midday will cause significant sun damage, and if it's repeated, that will convert to skin cancers within 2 to 3 years. In particular risk are the dogs like the British Bull Terrier who love to sunbake but have white skin. Pigment, no protection from the radiation, and those skin get skin cancers. Another thing to be aware of is dogs walking on hot bitumen, hot running in the middle of the day. We love to be out in the summertime where we're wearing our joggers, the dogs don't wear joggers. I often get dogs coming to me for tender, burnt, blistered pads from being taken for runs. We know that a couple of seconds on a hot sand burns our feet, so just imagine how damaging and traumatic it is for a dog out in a 15-minute run. This can all be avoided by not taking the dogs out between 10 AM and 5 PM, using sunblock at least 30 plus regularly applied, getting rashy dog sunsuits you can put on, or just keeping them inside during those hot parts of the day and providing them with shade.